Exploring dictionary operations in Python. Introduction. Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In today's tutorial, we will seek to explore the concept and functionality of dictionaries in Python. A dictionary is a type of collection in Python. That is, it is a data structure. A dictionary is created by using braces, curly brackets, and stores information as key and value pairs. Let us begin our exploration. Creating a dictionary. To begin our tutorial, we will first create a dictionary that we will use. We will create our dictionary as follows. Dictionary is equals to 1 Python, 2 HTML, 3 Java, 4 Solidity, 5 Ruby. Notice that our dictionary has information that is stored in a key value format. Keys need to be unique, not repeated at all times. Values may be repeated as many times as you would like. Each key value pair needs to be separated from the next by the use of a comma. So, the first operation we can perform with our dictionary is that of printing it out to the screen. And we do this by using the print function as follows. Print dictionary. Output will show as seen on the next slide. Notice we see our dictionary. It is denoted by curly brackets. There are elements inside which are key value pairs, and each pair is separated from the next by a comma. Clearing the contents of a dictionary. To clear the contents of a dictionary in Python, we make use of the clear function that is available to us. The clear function requires 0 arguments to be passed to it. One simply needs to call the function in order to clear the dictionary of all data. We do this as follows. Dictionary.clear. And upon printing the contents of our dictionary, we see that there is no key value pair or information within. Print dictionary. Output will be seen as follows. An empty dictionary. Creating a copy of a dictionary. If you would like to create an exact duplicate of a specific dictionary and its contents, you may use the copy function. The copy function does not require us to pass any arguments. One simply has to call the function and apply it on a dictionary of choice. For example, suppose we are required to have a copy of our dictionary for reference purposes. We would simply do it as follows. Dictionary copy is equals to dictionary.copy. Notice we created a new variable called dictionary copy, and this variable will hold a copy of our dictionary variable and its associated contents. The logic behind creating a replica of something, especially a data storage facility, is oftentimes because we do not wish to tamper with the original. For example, we could process and manipulate the contents of our copy instead of infringing on the original data. Now, we may proceed to print the contents of our dictionary copy variable to the screen. Print dictionary copy. Output will be seen as follows. Now, if you want, you can also print both data structures to the screen to verify that they are exactly the same. Print dictionary copy. Output will be seen as follows. Retrieving the value from a specific key. As we know, our dictionary has information stored in the form of key value pairs. Now, when we require a specific value that is attached to a particular key, we simply need to make use of the get function available to us, and we need to pass in the value of the key we are interested in as an argument. For example, let's say we are interested in finding out the information that is being held by the key with a unique identifier of 1. We simply need to do this. Print dictionary.get1, and the output will be seen as follows. Python. Notice we are returned with Python. Python is the value that corresponds to the key we required, that is key 1. So essentially, the get function in Python allows us to retrieve the value that is attached to a specific key by passing in the key we are interested in as an argument. Like in our case, we were interested in the value that is attached to key 1, and we obtained this value by passing in 1 to the get function. The default argument to the get function is none. Essentially what this means is that if you try to retrieve the value from a key that does not exist in your dictionary, you will receive no output, blank console, or the word none. This would tell you that the key you requested is non-existent in your particular collection. Viewing all key value pairs in a dictionary. If you would like to have a look at all the information that is stored in your dictionary, you may make use of the items function. The items function will return a list of all key value pairs that may be found in your dictionary. This function does not require any arguments to be passed to it. To make use of the function, you simply call the function as follows: print dictionary.items. Dict items: 1 Python, 2 HTML, 3 Java, 4 Solidity, 5 Ruby. Viewing all keys in a dictionary. There may be instances that occur in which you would like to view only and all the keys that are present in your dictionary. To accomplish this task, we may make use of the keys function. The keys function does not require us to pass any arguments to it. We simply need to call the function on a dictionary of our choice, and we will be returned with all the keys therein. For example, if we would like to view all keys in our dictionary, we may do so as follows: print dictionary.keys. Output will be seen as follows: dict keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice we get a collection of keys that reside in our dictionary. Viewing all values in a dictionary. To view only and all values in a dictionary, we may make use of the values function. This function does not require us to pass any arguments to it. To use the function, we simply call the function. By this point, you should realize that the norm of calling a function is the function name followed by a pair of parentheses. For example, print is the name of the function, and to call the function, we need a pair of parentheses, brackets. So essentially, calling the print function is like print, with the parentheses attached to it. So to view only and all values in a dictionary, we do so as follows in Python: print dictionary.values. Output will show as follows: dict values, Python, HTML, Java, Solidity, Ruby. Removing a specific key from the dictionary. If you would like to remove a specific key value pair from your dictionary, you may make use of the pop function. The pop function requires one compulsory argument to be passed to it, and that is the key of the key value pair you would like to remove. For example, if we would like to remove the key value pair 1 Python from our dictionary, we would make use of the pop function as follows: dictionary.pop1. Notice we pass in the key of the appropriate key value pair we would like to remove. Next, we may print the contents of our dictionary to see if any change has occurred. Print dictionary. Output will be seen as follows: 2 HTML, 3 Java, 4 Solidity, 5 Ruby. And sure enough, we are able to see that the key value pair with key 1 has been popped or removed from our dictionary. Removing the last key value pair from a dictionary. To remove the last element key value pair from a dictionary in Python, we may make use of the pop item function. The pop item function by default removes the last key value pair from a dictionary. One need not pass in any arguments to this function because the only behavior that this function can exhibit is that of removing the last element in a dictionary. So, to use this function, we simply call the function on a dictionary of our choice and the last element will be removed. Let us try on our dictionary. Dictionary.popItem. We then print the contents of our dictionary to view changes that have been made. Print dictionary, and we are able to see output as follows. The last element has been removed. 1. Python, 2. HTML, 3. Java, 4. Solidity. Future functions. We shall close this tutorial here. There are 3 more functions that we will look at in a future tutorial, namely the from keys, set default, and update functions. Thank you for reading and watching up to this point in the tutorial. I do hope that you found this lesson interesting. Thank you for your time. And guys, I should mention, if you have been enjoying the videos that I've been putting out on the channel, do make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you are supporting me and that greatly motivates me to keep pushing out more content for you. Thank you for your time and take care.